Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you why is Freelancer not working 2026. If Freelancer is not working properly, there can be several common reasons. Server or maintenance issues. Temporary outages or maintenance can make the platform slow or unavailable. Internet connection problems. Weak or unstable internet can prevent pages from loading or features from working. Browser or app issues. Outdated browser, app versions, bugs, or corrupted cache can cause malfunctions. Account login or verification issues. Expired sessions, unverified accounts, or login problems can restrict access. Payment or billing issues. Failed payments or disputes may limit certain features. High traffic or overload. Heavy usage on the platform can lead to delays or errors. Security restrictions. Suspicious activity or multiple failed attempts may temporarily block access. If the issue continues, refresh the page, check your internet, clear cache, try another browser, device, or contact Freelancer support. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.